If you're searching for a powerful, easy-to-install heating and cooling solution for your home, this is it. The MRCOOL DIY 5th Generation 36,000 BTU 3-zone mini-split system is designed to comfortably cover up to 1,500 square feet with three 9K BTU wall-mounted air handlers, each operating independently for precise zone control. Thanks to the pre-charged line sets and quick connect system, this setup is fully DIY friendly. No vacuum pump or special tools required. It runs efficiently with up to 21.5 SEER2, and it's UL listed, ETL listed, and AHRI certified, so you're getting top-tier performance with trusted safety standards. You'll also enjoy smart controls, quiet operation, and a 7-year compressor/5-year parts warranty for peace of mind. Ready to take control of your comfort? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reliable home upgrade ideas.